It is possible to make $300 easily with this brand new strategy, which is available worldwide and is absolutely free. There is no need to do any social media, and you don't need to have a camera or any other expensive equipment for this matter. Bear with me and keep watching until the end to find out how you can make money using an everyday browser such as Google to make thousands of dollars. Now, just before we get into all the details of the strategy, it will be awesome if you will support my channel by giving a video a massive thumbs up below, and even more awesome if you could click on that red button and turn the notifications on. At the end of the day, this is free and it's not gonna cost you anything. This way, you're gonna be able to get notified by YouTube whenever I upload a new video on a new strategy on how to make money online. But moving along with the intro, let's continue into today's video so I can show you how easy this strategy actually is, and you can see, and I will show you how you can do the same for you so you can get similar results. This strategy will involve some type of affiliate marketing, so I'm going to assume that most of you know what that is since you've been watching my videos, and after all, you might know what it is. But in the case that you don't know what it is, I'm gonna explain you. Affiliate marketing, you will be promoting a product for some company, and when someone you refer to that product via a referral link or a purchase, then you will get paid a percentage of the product sales price. Now, with that said, the very first step that I want you to do is I want you to come to this website called... So the first website which I would like you to come today is called digitstore24.com, and this is a great affiliate network which I will advise to anybody who's starting with affiliate marketing, because it will actually help you to be able to choose within a wide range of products and be able to start making money online like that. Okay, so you'll be able to automate your sales, you'll be able to track your analytics and so on. So I will encourage you to come to the website and have a look and see as well as the testimonials and see like what people are actually doing and why this is a great affiliate marketplace for you. Okay, so the first step will be as simple as coming out to websites. I say you can come and check it out, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to find for a button of signing up, which is here, and I believe I've already made a demo account, so let's see if it will allow me to log in. And yes, this is correct, I'm already logged in, and this is just a demo account for you to see. So once that you are in the account, I want you to go to the marketplace. Okay, so when I see all the different offers on the marketplace, and what we are going to focus in today is affiliate marketing. So what I want you to do is I want you to press on the search bar affiliate and see what offers will show up. Okay, so actually no offer will show up. Let's see, installment. So if you cannot actually search by affiliate, just go into internet marketing and e-business. So once that you can explore all the different niches, but what I want you to actually focus on is affiliate marketing. Okay, so you'll be focusing on affiliate marketing, so you could go into the product bar and you could click affiliate, and let's see what comes up. We cannot see any affiliate marketing. Let's see, we can search by affiliate marketing. So as you can see, what we are going to try to promote is going to be different affiliate offers. You can actually go into e-marketing, or you can go into internet marketing and entertainment. As you can see, here is the super affiliate system of John Christiani, and over here you can see how much you're going to get for commission and how you're going to be able to promote this product. And if you get 50% of this, you will be getting $800. And why we're promoting affiliate marketing is because a lot of people want to to learn about affiliate marketing, so you will be in a position where you're gonna be able to promote this. So once that you sign up, and let's say for instance that you have chose a specific product like this one, you will get your URL, and instead of just going to the website where you can see the website over here where you can come and check it out, but instead of that, I want you to copy the link and I want you to either go to Bitly or go to Tiny URL. Okay, so once that you are in Tiny URL, for example, you're gonna add the link over there, and once you add the link there, you're gonna see that this is the Tiny URL. And why is the reason why we do this is because this link is very ugly, and if you start promoting it, people are gonna notice that you're just promoting an affiliate product. However, if you go into Tiny URL, you're gonna be able to see that this link looks much nicer. So with that being said, I want you to get that link, that's the link for your offer, and then we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna put in Google make money online blogs, and then you're gonna see a wide variety of blogs. So what I want you to go is I want you to go through each different ones and then see which one might work for you. So we're gonna do it live so you can see how this is done, because then we want to interact with the people on this blog. So we want to have a look at here, and then you can see there are so many different topics. So for example, if I click on Google AdSense, they send me into Google AdSense so I can sign up with them. But then what you can do is, as you scroll down all the way down to the top, let's see what we can find. You can see that there is a comment section over here. So this is where you're gonna start interacting with people, and this is very important. You're going to start interacting with them before you send them a link. So you want to, each of these people, you're gonna reply and you're gonna tell them, see if you can provide any value to them, and then once that you have provided some value, you will just link them the referral link. And you know, if you go 1 people out of 100 people that sign up, you're already making $800. Okay, so this is why it's a great opportunity. You go like 3 pages of results that you could check into, and I will advise you to just go into affiliate marketing courses because it's a great niche. Okay, so as I said, you will go into the comments and then you will start speaking with the different people over there and see if you can provide value, and you can just refer them to your affiliate link. Same for all the blogs that you could go to. When I go to the comment section, let's see who's talking on the comments. Let's see, there you go, you see show comments, and then where are the comments? Are the comments actually showing? If the comments are not showing, then I will advise you to go to a different website. Okay, so let's go here and then let's open a couple of more. And then the most important thing is that you're not spamming people. People don't like to be spammed, but if you can provide them some value, then you can say, look, check out this course because this is something that has really worked for us. So this is another blog that you could go, come have a look and see if there is any section where people are leaving comments, and then that's your opportunity to be able to engage with these people. Usually they are at the end, and then you know, you might be able to comment. Some of the blogs you might need to sign up with them to comment, and other blogs you might don't need to sign up. So that one looks like you might need to sign up, and let's have a look at this one. So we're gonna go all the way down to the comments, and then you're gonna see whether, you know, if you can interact with people or not. Okay, so you know, once that you sign up with them, you will be able to interact with them, and then that's what I would like you to do. It's a great way, you know, it's a great website for you to start as an affiliate, and you can provide a lot of value to a lot of people, and there are courses where you want to be able to make tons of money for it. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. If you would like to find alternative ways on how to make money online and make thousands and thousands of dollars online per month, then just click on the first link on the description. You just need to sign up, watch the video intro, and follow all the steps, because that's gonna get you started on your journey to making high ticket affiliate commissions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's strategy. This is all for today's strategy, and if you find it beneficial, I would really appreciate you could give me a massive like, because that will really help me to be able to bring you the latest content on digital marketing and new strategies on how to make money online. Because This way you can make money. Activate the notifications, and then you'll be notified. You'll be the first ones to notify when I just come out with a new brand strategy or a new video to try to help you guys, because you deserve this. You deserve to make thousands and thousands of dollars per month, and you deserve your financial freedom. So this is the whole purpose of the channel. So I hope that you like today's strategy, and if you did, please give me a like. I will see you in the next one. I hope that you have a great day and a great week ahead, and then I will see you very, very soon. Take care now, guys.